Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today 26th April 2023 in the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday, Nifty opened a gap up of near 20 points and throughout the day and most of the time it was significantly positive, but in the end it closed near its day's opening. Sector-wise, PSU Bank and Power was the major positive contributor as they increased over 1% each, followed by Metal and Infra. On the negative side, it's consumer durable as it's down by near 1%. In addition, HDFC Bank dragged Nifty. Regarding reason, in short, they announced that they are going to buy back some of their subsidiary. I don't want to repeat and bore with the same information as we discussed in detail in the last pre-market video itself. Even yesterday too, FII net sold shares worth approximately 407 crore rupees and DAI net bought shares worth approximately 560 crore rupees. Then after our market hours, all three US major index opened slightly negative, but it continued to move downwards for most of the day and in the end it kind of crashed last night. The negativity was first started when the First Republic Bank announced their quarterly results. In that their total deposit level fell by over 104 billion US dollars, which is 40 billion US dollars more than that of what market expected. What this also stating is they borrowed much more money. This made the stock to fall near 50% in one single day. Subsequently, it affected all the banking sector in US. In addition to this, US Conference Board released the consumer confidence data. In that, it comes as near 101 against expectation of 104, which indicating that the US consumer confidence is significantly dropped, so does the economic activity. Now, this increases the recession fear and made the market to drop further. It's kind of adding gasoline in the fire. Anyway, this fear also made the oil price to drop over 2%. WTI crude from near $79 US per barrel on day before yesterday. At the time of this video, it dropped and trading near $77 US per barrel. And in case of Brent crude oil, it too dropped and trading near $80.5 US per barrel. Back to market. In the end, Dow Jones decreased by 1.02%, S&P 500 decreased by 1.56% and Nasdaq crashed near 2%. In case of VIX, it increased over 11% to near 19. However, on the positive side, 10-year Treasury bond yield decreased over 3% and moved below 3.4%. Regarding tech stocks, during the US market hours, it closed significantly low. On the other hand, the moment both Microsoft and Google released the result in the aftermarket hours, both the stocks increased over 4.5 and 3% respectively on the post-market. Both the stocks beats the expectation in every possible metric, such as revenue, profit and EPS. Even Microsoft Cloud Business Standalone did beat the analyst expectation. Coming to Indian areas in US market, the stocks were really not that enthusiastic. Wipro closed near 2% negative and HDFC Bank down by near 1.5%. Despite closing significantly positive in Indian market, ICICI Bank closed negative of 0.34%. Finally, Infosys too down marginally. In terms of SGX Nifty, at 3 AM Indian Standard Time, it closed at 17,733, which means it's indicating 35 points gap down opening today. So that's what happened in the global market. Now coming to Indian market. First, there were two banks released their quarterly report. AU Small Finance Bank and Bank of Maharashtra. First, AU Small Finance Bank. They released their results in the aftermarket hours, so the results was not factored in the stocks, which we can expect today. On year-on-year basis, their net profit increased 23% and the net interest income increased by near 30%. And the net NPA was already very low. Even in the last quarter, it was 0.51%. Now that too reduced to 0.42%. So in one simple sentence, the results beats the analyst estimation and it is very good. The same for Bank of Maharashtra as well. Their net profit increased over 135% on year-on-year basis. Both banks posted a very good results. Again, very good results doesn't mean that the stocks will increase. It will be based on its demand and supply. Anyway, other than banks, Bajaj Auto and Nestle were the two other major companies released their results yesterday. In that, Nestle released during the market hours, so it's already factored in the stock price. However, Bajaj Auto released in the aftermarket hours. Regarding that, yesterday I told that market expects around 7% increase in both revenue and profit. Here, now the revenue comes over 10% growth, but still the profit contracted by 2.5%. So we can say the results were mixed, and I think it's negative for the stock. Let's see how the market is reacting to it. As a summary, US market and global momentum is very negative now. Yeshi's Nifty is indicating a gap down opening of 35 points. However, bank's results that released yesterday were really very good. In addition, Google and Microsoft were super duper bullish in the after US market hours, which got the potential to turn the IT stocks to positive. Then, regarding the things to look out today, there is a schedule for earnings release of Indus Towers, Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life, SBI Life and L&T. In terms of macro, various US related such as crude oil inventories, durable goods orders and trade balance are the some of the important one that due to release today. Now coming to technical, as I said earlier, Nifty almost closed at the same place where it opened. So it's a doji candle formation. It's indicating the indecisiveness among buyers and sellers about the future market trend. I mean, it's a tug of war. One good thing is that it closed positive and above 17,750. So now 17,600 kind of becomes a strong base level. In fact, 17,700 looks strong. However, yesterday couple of times Nifty tried to break 17,800, but both the time it failed. Thus, in order to continue the positive trend, Nifty has to break 17,850 decisively. Then, in case of Bank Nifty, it forms a shooting star candle formation. Here, it's kind of a worrying sign since it's a bearish reversal pattern. However, volume is not supporting, so it can be a false signal. Regarding moving average and technical indicator summary for both Nifty and Bank Nifty on daily chart, it's same as yesterday, strong buy signal. Moving on, based on change in open interest for Nifty, significant call options were unwound between 17,600 to 17,750. Then the new maximum put options without call options were added at 17,550. So from open interest analysis, 17,550 is the strong support for this expiry. If we see the overall options open interest data, 17,700 got more put option open interest and significant call option open interest as well. I mean, it's a huge short straddle. So the next nearby maximum put option is present at 17,600 and the next maximum call option is present at 18,000. Thus, 17,600 is the immediate support and 18,000 is the strong resistance, followed by 17,900 is the immediate resistance. In case of Bank Nifty, based on change in open interest, significant call options were unwound at below 42,600 and more new call option open interest were added at 42,800. However, it's difficult to say anything here. So, based on overall options open interest data, the maximum put options without call option is present at 42,000. Thus, 42,000 is the strong support. 43,000 got the maximum new call option open interest. So, that's the immediate resistance. However, breaking that 43,500 will act as the strong resistance. So, that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the algorithm and will also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this as I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I am doing it for my and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.